First of all, my Srila Gurudev Nityalila Pravishram Vishnupad Ashtodashat Shrimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Srila Vaman Gosai Maharaj and Nityalila Pravishtu Om Vishnupad Ashtodashat Shrimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Narayan Gosai Maharaj. I do my millions of Dandavat Pranam unto his lotus feet, and after that Nityalila Pravishtam Vishnupada Shri Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj and all the present devotees, Bhakti Vedanta Tridandi, Bhakti Vedanta Srila Shant Maharaj, Bhakti Vedanta Shipad Maharaj, Bhakti Vedanta Srila Bodhan Maharaj and Padmanabh Maharaj and Parpujya Charan Shri Ramchandra Prabhuji, Pujya Parpujya Charan Shri Pad Shri Gokunchad Prabhuji, and all the present Vaishnavis, all the mothers and all the dear devotees and who are the listeners of the Harikathas. I do my Dandavat Pranam at their lotus feet. Today is the Srimad Bhagavad 6th day. The topic of like the Supreme Personality of the Godhead, the Brajendra Nandan Shyam Sundar, who have so one who listen this katha and do any kirtan of this katha, then he will liberate from this world and reach to the Bhagavad Dham. So that's why the Shuddha Goswami Pad in the last shloka of Srimad Bhagavatam he is saying katha of this of regarding this at the time of the Samudra Manthan, churning of ocean, when nectar Shiva told to Krishna, I want to see your Mohini Roop, Mohini Avatar. But Krishna said, no. First of all, if you will, one people, if see my Mohini Avatar, that became mad. But the Shiva again and again praying to Lord Krishna, the Lord himself, Sri Hari, he showed to Shiva her Mohini Avatar. The Shiva who conquered the lust as he saw the Mohini roop, the Shiva also start to run after the Mohini. And the Mohini, like in a Mohini roop, the Lord is running to Tribhuvan and reach to the same place where he start to run. So that's why the Brahma also get attracted towards his daughter, and he is running after to her daughter. So there is a story of the Narad Rishi also. Narad Rishi also. So like that, how the Narad Rishi also see the Lord's beautiful form, how he get attracted. So even the big devotees cannot conquer the lust. So even the Ras Leelas, the last shloka of that, if one who listen the Ras Leela story with the faith, do the kirtan, so that person definitely he will conquer the lust and that attain the Lord's love. So how you have to listen it? With a very deep faith. With very deep faith. So with a very deep faith you have to listen this Harikatha, the Krishna himself doing the Ras Leela. Even not the Vaikuntpati Narayan. Even not the Ayodhyapati Sri Ramchandra is also not doing the Ras Leela. Even not Dwarkadish Krishna is performing the Ras Leela. Even not Mathuradish Krishna doing the Ras Leela. Who is doing the Ras Leela? The Brajendra Nandan Krishna is doing the Ras Leela. So you should listen and do the kirtan of such katha. So then the bhakti will manifest, and side by side all the anarthas like the Kam, Krodh, Lobh, Moh, like all get destroyed by listening the Ras Leela Katha. So with a deep faith we should listen Ras Leela Katha. The Ras Leela is not a lust Leela. It seems like that it's a lust, but actually this is divine lust or divine Leela. So this is known as Kam Vijay Leela, the lust conquering Leela. But the same Krishna, to manifest that Ras Leela, he performed 2 more Leelas. The God himself showing, I am not an ordinary personality. The Jiva is saying to themselves as a Brahma, and they fall down. But the God himself showing, I am the God only. So the Bhagwan, like Bhagwan, the God has drummed the Davanal, the fire. So it's not possible for the ordinary being. So for that regard, the Shuddha Goswami has told many Leelas so that it can be established that the Krishna himself as a God, himself God. So he specially performed 2 Leela before Ras Leela. So the 2 Leela the Krishna has manifested before doing the Ras Leela. The one is Kaliya Daman Leela and another is Giriraj Dharan Leela. Dharan Leela. Bolo Giriraj Maharaj ki jai. This is not possible by the normal human being. somebody is saying to themselves they are God. So, but at least like once he should lift the Giriraj, then we will come to know that he is a God.
कोई एक बार कलियों की हजारों भगवानों पर नृत्य किया भगवान
Like God has danced on the Kalia's head. Thousands of heads of the Kalias he has danced on that, on the head of the Kalia. So nobody can do such kind of leela. So the Shukdev Goswami Pad telling to
मधुर मधुर लीला कथा
told many
श्रवण
beautiful,
कराया
beautiful, sweet, sweet pastime leela of a
समय
Krishna.
संक्षेप होने के
So
नाते
due to the short time,
कुछ लीला को तो हम छोड़ दिए
we skip some
अनेक
leelas
की वक्ता की
and many,
अनेक की
many of
हमारे
the
पास
speakers, and we have a
वाणी थी
limited time.
फिर अनेकों प्रकार लीला भी प्रस्तुत करते हैं
So many kind of the leelas we
लीला भी
actually
प्रस्तुत
shows,
करते हैं
like
जिससे लोगों की चित्त मन भगवान में लगे रहे
so that the people get attract,
जैसे आप
we can
कैसे
attract their
सुंदर
mind
राधा जी
towards Lord
की
Leela.
जन्म महोत्सव
So as
पर
we have performed the
भक्त लोग ने
Radharani
ऐसे
Janam
सुंदर
Leela, so the
नाट्य
devotees
प्रस्तुत किया
performed a
जिसको आज
very
ये
beautiful
भारत सत्य
dance,
विश्व
and they attract everyone's heart
भगवत
and
कथा
mind.
श्रवण उसकी फल है
So
हमारे हृदय मन
the result of listening the Harikatha is what our mind should be engaged in
लोगों की एकत्रित
Krishna's
करने की एक ही
Harikatha.
कारण है
Why we are
कैसे
getting, why we
भगवान का
are
भजन करें
assembling here, just
और
because
कोई
to do the
कारण
Bhagwan
नहीं
bhajan.
एकत्रित
There is
करने की कारण
no
भी नहीं
other
है
reason to
कि किसी न किसी प्रकार से
assemble here,
तेन तेन प्रकारेण
like by any
कृष्ण
at any
मनो
cost or anyhow, like
निमित्त
our mind engage in
किसी भी
Krishna's,
प्रकार से मेरे मन
like any cost anyhow, like
भगवान
our
में
mind should be engaged in Krishna's. That is
विषय
our
के लोग
main motive.
संसार के लोग संसार में मन जाते हैं
So the Vishay means the who are engaged in materialistic
और
things,
उसमें ही
they
उनसे
always
24
engage in
घंटे
material things. Like the 24 hours
चिंतन
they
आदि
are
करते हैं
thinking of their material
इसलिए
things.
हमारे आचार्य के पास
So
कहते हैं
that's why our Acharya Path is telling,
कि हम मन को भगवान में कैसे लगाएं?
so how we can engage our
काम
mind
देखकर भया
in
स्नेह
God.
भय और भक्ति आदि के द्वारा हम भगवान में कैसे लगाएं? कामना गोपियां समस्त कामना वासना के भगवान में लगाया
So the gopis
इसलिए भगवान की प्राप्ति
has put
देश
their
आदि के द्वारा
all the desires of gopis actually engaged in Krishna's service only.
वो भी भगवान की प्राप्ति भय कंस
The Kans, by the fear, like due to the fear, he is always thinking of Krishna. So he attained the Lord by fear.
विष्णु मुझे मार दे
So the Kans is always
इसलिए
thinking like the
कंस
Vishnu
एक एक करके
will kill me one day.
असुरों के
So for this regard
मेरा
only the
कृष्ण को
Kans
मारने
has
के
sent one by one demon.
दिवारात वही चलता है
So like day and night the Kans is thinking about the Krishna. So by the fear, like the dvesh, by the
स्नेह आदि के
snehe,
द्वारा पांडव लोग
by the affection, the Pandavas,
भगवान की
they attain the Lord by affection.
समुद्र समुद्र आदि के द्वारा
By this relationship,
भगवान की प्राप्ति
the Yadavgan, by their relationship with the Krishna, they attain the Lord.
नारद ऋषि कहते हैं
And the
मैं
Narad
भक्ति के
Rishi
द्वारा
is saying, I also attain the Lord by bhakti.
स्वयं
So
भक्ति
Kam, Dvesh, Sneh,
भगवान की प्राप्ति करने की उपाय बताते हैं
Sambandh, Bhakti. So by this way, like you can attain the Lord. But the topmost way is what?
कि हम भक्ति के मुश्किल
So by the following the bhakti, if we attain the Lord, that is the topmost path.
जिस प्रकार
So how, in which also the gopis, how they absorbed in the
उसी प्रकार
Krishna's.
मेरे मन
So that's why the same way our mind is always think about Krishna.
भागवत कथा आदि सब उसी प्रकार है
So the result of the Bhagavad is what is to engage your mind in Krishna.
और इसी प्रकार लगाते लगाते
Or just by engaging your mind again and again, if you will leave if you leave this body, so you will get your eternal form, and you will go to the Bhagavad Dham.
सांप
So like it is saying, like the snake,
केतुल के जैसे
like he left his
छोड़ करके जैसे बाहर निकल करके आ जाते हैं।
he left his skin
उसी
and thought, you will also
दिन को
keep your body
प्राप्त
and you will
हमने
attain,
को
you will go to the divine abode of Lord.
इसलिए सुखदेव गोस्वामी पाद
So that's why the Shukdev
परीक्षित
Goswami
महाराज
Pad
कृष्ण की मधुर लीला कथा ही श्रवण किया।
told to the Parishit Maharaj very beautiful sweet pastimes of the Lord Krishna.
कल हम लोग ने तेरे बात का संयोग ही
Yesterday we heard about the Dhenikasur, how the Krishna killed the Dhenukasur. Oh, Balram has killed the Dhenukasur.
कैसे
So how the Baldev Prabhu has killed the Dhenukasur.
इसके पश्चात
And after that,
कृष्ण की अनेकों लीलाएं हैं।
so the
तुलसीदास
Krishna
ने
has many
सुखदेव गोस्वामी
lila.
वर्णन किया।
So those leelas, the
कालिया
Shukdev
दमन की
Goswami
लीलाओं
has
को
described. Even the
जो
Shukdev Goswami described about the Kaliya Daman Leela.
वृंदावन में
The
जमुना के
Kaliya
जल में
in the
यमुना
water of the
तट में
Jamna,
दूषित करते हैं।
he was polluting the Jamna's water.
और वो कालियों के किस प्रकार उस जमुना से बाहर निकल करके
So how the
और उनके रमणोद्वीप में
Krishna told to Kaliya to leave this place. So these all the stories as described by the Krishna himself.
सुंदर रूप में
Oh,
वर्णन
Shukdev
करते हैं।
Goswami Pad.
श्री सुखदेव परीक्षित महाराज सुखदेव गोस्वामी के पर प्रश्न करने लगे। कालिया वो वृंदावन में जमुना की घाट में क्यों रहने लगे?
So the Parishit Maharaj has questioned why he is staying in the water of the Jamna.
प्रसंग में
So
श्री सुखदेव गोस्वामी पाद
Shukdev Goswami Pad is replying.
वास्तव रूप में ये कोद्रु और विनोदा
Godrum
इसके दो पत्नी
or
कोद्रु और
Kodrum or Vinoda. These are the two wives of Kashyap Rishi. One day, both are thinking,
सूर्य के घोड़े जो हैं, वो किस रंग के?
like the Suryas have horse and the horse have what color?
जो हार जाएंगे वो उसके दासी बनेंगे।
So like who will not give the right answer, that became the servant. Kodrum said,
सूर्य के घोड़े जो है
the horse of Indra is the horse color of Indra is Krishna Varna.
किंतु वास्तव रूप में सूर्य के घोड़े के रंग कैसे था?
But actually the horse color is white.
विनोदा ने कहा कि कृष्ण के सूर्य के घोड़े के रंग सफेद।
The other wife said it's white.
कोद्रु के जो पुत्र थे ये सब सर्पगुण था।
Kodru like son is from snake.
ये सूर्य के घोड़े के रंग सफेद बने।
When she come to know that,
सारे सर्पगुण दूर से घोड़े के ऊपर ऐसे आच्छादन किया। और
when she come to know that the horse color is white, she buy does like snake. She is from snake family, so by the snake she covered the horse.
दासी बना।
And like by cheating propensity, she made the Vinoda as servant, because by the cheating way she showed that the horse color is not Krishna one or white color, it's a Krishna one.
दासी से मुक्त करा। बोले तुम्हारे माँ की दासी तब मैं मुक्त करा सकता हूँ।
And the Vinoda,
यदि सर्व से अमृत अमृत के पाठ में
Vinoda want to rescue. Okay,
अमृत को लेकर जाते हैं। अमृत की कुंभ है।
Vinoda want to rescue herself from the servant position. She told to Garud to bring nectar. So that time the Indra was thinking, if the snake family if will drink the nectar, then all the human beings will be died. So because they became immortal by drinking. So Indra took the form of Brahmin.
ये अमृत लेंगे और मेरे माँ को आप दासी से मुक्त करा।
By just giving the nectar to Godruma, she will rescue the Vinoda. So that's why the Indra came as a Brahmin. So there is a one way to drink the nectar. So you just go and take bath in the water in the river. So they went for the matlab the Godrum snake family went for the bath, and Indra took away that nectar.
कुंभ मेला बना।
So then that time the Narad Rishi placed that nectar at somewhere place, and at that place they used to celebrate the Kumbh festival there. So even the Vrindavan, there is a, Kadamba
ऊपर
tree.
गुरु जी बैठे और वहीं पर भी रखी। आज तुम भी वो वृक्ष
So the Garud
विराजमान है।
has keep the nectar pot there. So there
और
is
सतगुरु जब आए
still
देखा
that place is there.
वो अमृत नहीं है, सोचने लगे अमृत यहाँ पर भी गिर गए। और वो सतगुरु ने सबको क्या
The
करने
snake
लगे?
family came back and
ना
then
अपने
saying,
जिहा के बड़ा चाटने लगे। इसलिए सतगुरु के जिहा क्या हो गया? दो भाग हो गया। आप लोग देखेंगे सांप के जिहा कितना है?
the snake have two tongues. Why it is become there is no nectar, but there is something is there. They try to lick that thing,
और गुरु
and
जी
that's why their uh,
तालियों में
tongue divided
भगवान
into two
का
parts.
देव भाव करने लगे।
So that's
और
why
गुरु जी ये सांप इतने पिटाई करते थे
the snake, the Kalia have a very
और
like
वो
jealousy
त्राही
mood,
त्राही काम करके रोकने लगे कहाँ
and the Garud always used
तो ये
to
तालियों की कथा उसी प्रकार है
kick,
कि वृंदावन के
always
वन
beat
में
one snake.
जहाँ पर सौगरी ऋषि
So even the Sobri Rishi also
क्योंकि
used to
सौगरी ऋषि
worship.
के स्थान उठाए सौगरी ऋषि के प्रसंग की कथा में इस प्रेम को समय पाठ
So the
बताया
Sobri Rishi's Katha also the Shuddha
ये
Goswami
सौगरी
Pad has told.
कली के जल में हद में रह करके 10,000 साल तक
So 10,000 years he has performed the Leela on the same place where Kalia
और
used to stay.
मछलियों की ग्राम वृत्ति जानी उनकी प्रेम आदि देख करके उसके
So
हृदय
just
में
by seeing the association of the fishes, and
फिर क्यों
he
कारण क्या है?
the lust arise in the heart of the Sobri Rishi. What is the cause of that? Just because
जब तपस्या कर रहे थे
while he is
और
performing
उस
the
समय कली के
austerity,
जल में कुछ स्त्री और पुरुष मछली के
the female fish and the male fish
विलास आदि कर
are associating
इतने
each
समय
other.
गरुड़ जी उस स्थान
That
पर
time
पधारे
the Garud came at that place.
और गरुड़ जी उस पुरुष मछली को जो है पकड़ लिया था
Garud came and he ate the male fish.
और जात की शिकायत कर
The female fish went to the Sobri Rishi and complained against Garud.
गरुड़ जी को अभिशाप दे दिया
That time the Sobri Rishi cursed the Garud.
तुम जिस स्थान पर आ जाओ हमारी मृत्यु गरुड़ जी महाभागवत है
So Garud is the Mahabhagavat.
तथापि गरुड़ जी
But the
उनकी
Sobri Rishi has cursed to Garud.
अभिशाप को स्वीकार कर ले इसलिए गरुड़ जी
If you will come, then you will die at this place. So you don't come on this place. So that's why the Garud not come to that place. Just because the Sobri Rishi has cursed to Garud, he did the Vaishnav Aparadh. That's why the lust arise. So if you will do the Vaishnava Aparadh, that's why this all material, the lust, this desires will comes in your heart just due to the Vaishnava Aparadh. So that time the lust arises in the heart of the Sobri Rishi, and he went to the Mandata's assembly, and that time the Mandata's 50 daughters is ready to marry because she becomes young. The Sobri Rishi said to the Mandata I want to marry with your 50 daughters, but nobody queen has ready to marry with the Sobri Rishi just because the Sobri Rishi's bodies becomes very dull.
सभी कन्याओं ने इनकार कर दिया
So all the daughters of the Mandata has denied to marry with Sobri Rishi. Then what the Rishi has done? So the Rishi manifested his a very beautiful form by the power of his yoga. Then after that he went to So after that he went again to the assembly. All the daughters, queens of the Raja king, ready to marry with Sobri Rishi. Then after that they performed. Sobri Rishi actually manifested his 50 forms, and he married with all the queens of the Mandata, and at the time, at the place of the Sobri Rishi, the Kalia used to be stay.
और खाली बीज के द्वारा जलों
And
के द्वारा स्थान के ऐसे दूषित करते हैं
his poison, he actually polluted the water of the
then
Jamna.
भगवान
So the God himself
विचार करने लगे,
was thinking,
मेरे लीला राम भूमि में
this is the my Leela Bhumi,
इस
Vrindavan.
वृंदावन धाम में
So in Vrindavan,
ये कार्य कैसे
how he's staying, this is like a demon, like this he's a dush demon. So how he can stay here? So we need to be keep away from here.
सभा के साथ होगा
So the Krishna one day is playing with his friends.
कृष्ण जान बुझ करके
So by the intentionally the Krishna has thrown
भारत में
his bowl in the water of the Jamna, and he actually, the Krishna jumped in the water of the Jamna just to take his ball.
एक अंत में स्वयं भगवान कृष्ण कालियों के मन पर
And then after that, the Krishna actually start to dance on the head of the Kalya.
मरने वाला था
The time the Kalya is about to be die. So the wives of the Kalyas, which is known as a Nag Patni, the wives of the Kalya.
इसके भी बहुत सुंदर रूप में हमारे आचार्य पास में वर्णन करते
So our Acharya Pad also describing in a very beautiful way, like how the God
हैं। मन पर
like has danced on the head of the Kalyas.
बारो सौ कन्हैया मेरो बारो सौ कन्हैया अरे काली देह गए खेलन आयो री मेरो बारो सौ कन्हैया काली देह गए खेलन आयो री मेरो बारो सौ कन्हैया अरे काहे की पट गेंद बनाई काहे की पट गेंद बनाई अरे काहे को बल्ला लायो री मेरो बारो सौ कन्हैया काली को बल्ला लायो री मेरो बारो सौ कन्हैया 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 काली देह पे खेलन आयो री मेरो बारो सौ कन्हैया अरे देह पे खेलन आयो रे मेरो बारो सौ कन्हैया तांडव गति मुंडन पे नाचन गिरधारी तांडव गति मुंडन पे नाचन गिरधारी तांडव गति मुंडन पे नाचन गिरधारी तांडव गति मुंडन पे तांडव गति मुंडन पे तांडव गति मुंडन पे तांडव गति मुंडन पे नाचत गिरधारी तांडव गति मुंडन पे
आई, नागिन हाथ जोड़ कर 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 आई, नागिन हाथ जोड़। अरे प्रभु की जब ये स्तुति गाई, प्रभु की जब ये स्तुति, वो जन सब रहो, वो जन सब हो नाच नचारो, देवारो तो कन्हैया, हरि रहते के लहरायो, देवारो तो कन्हैया, हरि रहते के लहरायो, देवारो तो कन्हैया, हरि रहते के लहरायो, देवारो तो कन्हैया, देवारो तो कन्हैया, मेरा छोटो सा कन्हैया, देवारो तो कन्हैया, मेरा छोटो सा कन्हैया, काली रहते के लहरायो, देवारो तो कन्हैया, हरि रहते के लहरायो, देवारो तो कन्हैया, काली रहते के लहरायो, देवारो तो कन्हैया, काली रहते के लहरायो, देवारो तो। ओ बरसाने में, ओ बरसन में, ओ वृंदावन में नाचे हो, ओ मैं की नाचूं, वृंदावन में नाचे हो, ओ मैं की नाचूं, वृंदावन में नाचे हो, ओ मैं की नाचूं, ओ रबिया तेरे तक नाचूं, रबिया तेरे तक नाचूं, ओ खेला तेरे तक नाचूं, खेला तेरे तक नाचूं, ओ बरसाने में, ओ वृंदावन में, ओ गोवर्धन में नाचे हो, ओ मैं भी नाचूं, बरसाने में नाचे हो, ओ मैं भी नाचूं। वो ब्रह्मा नाचे, विष्णु नाचे, शंकर झूम झूम के नाचे, ब्रह्मा नाचे, विष्णु नाचे, झूम झूम के, वो ब्रह्मा नाचे, विष्णु नाचे, शंकर झूम झूम के नाचे, ब्रह्मा नाचे, विष्णु नाचे, शंकर झूम झूम के, वो नाचे नाचे, वो नाचे नाचे, वो नाचे नाचे, नारद चंगो, वो मैं भी नाचूं, नाचे नाचे, नारद चंगो, वो मैं भी नाचूं, वो नाचे नाचे, नारद चंगो, वो मैं भी नाचूं, नाचे नाचे, नारद चंगो, वो मैं भी नाचूं, ओ वृंदावन में, ओ गोवर्धन में, ओ बरसाने में नाचे हो, ओ मैं भी नाचूं, वृंदावन में नाचे हो, ओ मैं भी नाचूं, राधा नाचे राधा नाचे राधा नाचे राधा झूम झूम के नाचे राधा नाचे राधा नाचे राधा झूम झूम के राधा नाचे राधा नाचे राधा झूम झूम के नाचे राधा नाचे राधा नाचे राधा झूम झूम के नाचे नाचे रे नाचे नाचे रे नाचे नाचे रे जो भी चाहो अपने भी नाचो नाचे नाचे रे जो भी चाहो अपने भी नाचो अपने सारे में
So the Kali is about to be die, and the blood is coming from his mouth. So the Kalia was thinking at that time that my wives all sometimes think about, sometimes about to speak about the Krishna, but he Kalia doesn't believe that the Krishna himself is a god. But when the blood is coming out from the Kalia's mouth, then the Kalia was in his mind. He actually surrendered himself unto the lotus feet of Krishna. Or the swam God did the mercy on Kalia, and he just left his feet signs on his head, and he was telling there is one island in Fiji, Ramanta Dweep. So Krishna said, Krishna said, like to go to that place. The Kalia was telling, if I leave this place, some then someone will kill me. Then the Krishnas assure to Kalia, I left my feet sign on your head. Then the Garud will never kill you. So Garud will never kill you just because my lotus feet sign is on your head. So that time the Kalia left that place, Ramne Dweep, that is known as an Fiji nowadays. After Australia, after Australia, there is a place, Fiji, New Zealand, sorry, and after more forward to the New Zealand, there is Fiji Island. So now nowadays also there is a beautiful temple. There is many islands, but the one island where Kalia use Kalia till now is there. We are now like singing very beautiful kirtan, how the Kalia danced on the head of the Kalia. So all the wives of the Kalia, they are thinking in their mind, my husband is very very bad personality, so he have to die only. That time the
स्थिति
wives
आई
of the
रघुवीर
Kalya
परिवार
did many
पृथ्वी
stutis
महाराज
of
ने
Krishna.
और नाटक ने स्तुति की श्रवण करा
So the Shuddha Goswami
इसलिए
Pad
एक स्तुति
told the
मैं
stutis
सुनकर
of
वर्णन करता
the
हूँ
wives of Kalya.
अश्याम
The one
भागो
stuti of the stutis of Nagpatni
अश्यामेव
is this.
विधिमन् तवाङ्घ्रिरेणु पौरुषधिकार जलवंशया श्रीललनार्दरस्तमो विहाय कामान् शुचिरं धृतव्रता वो नागपत्नी कली की पत्नियां
The wives of the Kalya
स्तुति करने लगी
is
हे
doing
प्रभु
this worship of
मेरे
Lord
दुराचारी
Krishna. My husband, who is
पति
very, very
कौन सा
bad,
जन्म में कैसे कर्म किया
what he has done in
ब्रह्मा
his
ने बड़े बड़े
previous
देवता
lives.
स्तुति की
So the Brahmas and the other
दुष्प्राप्य आपके
demigods
चरण कमल की देखी
like not cannot attain
देखो
your
महाराज
lotus feet
और
on
आपने ऐसे
their
चरण
head,
कमल को
but you keep place
विपश्यतानु
your
आपको
lotus
देखो
feet on
सिद्धि
my husband's head.
तवांग्रि
So
रेणु
what the
पौरुषाधि
pious
कहा
activity has he has done in
श्री
his
लवण
previous life?
रश्मि की भी
Even the
ये
Lakshmi,
संभव
to attain your lotus feet, it is
हाँ
not possible for the Lakshmi Devi also.
ऐसी दुर्लभ
So this is the very rarest
चरण
to
कमल
find.
आप कैसे
And how like you
इसी प्रसंग में
keep
मैं
place
एक
on
कथा से प्राप्त करना
the
चाहती हूँ
your feet on
उनमें
the
जनक की
Kalya's
काव्य
head.
जीवन की इतिहास भी बताया गया
So the
क्योंकि
previous
जन्म
life of the
जन्मांतर के
Kalya
संस्कार
also told,
संत महात्मा की कृपा यदि नहीं हो
if you don't get the mercy
वास्तव
of the
में
Sant
हम
Mahatma,
भगवत
then you cannot
भक्ति प्राप्त
get
नहीं
the
कर
Bhagavad
सकते
Bhakti by the mercy of the Sant Mahatma.
कवि भी जीवन की इतिहास पुराण में भी
So
व्यासदेव
the
जी ने भी
his
लिखा है
Vyasdev also told the history of Kalya, and
अनेकों
it
ऐसी
is
कथाएं
described in
हैं
the Puranas also.
कल्पभेद हरि कथा
So Kalpa Bedeshu
कलयुग के
Harikatha, different
जीवन
kalps
की
have
कथाएं
different stories
आचार्य
of
द्वारा
Kali.
वर्णन करते
So
हुए
our Acharya Pad has described
अभी हम इसको जनक के एक राजा थे
Kalya in a previous life is a king.
सर्वविद्यशाली राजा थे
He is a very powerful king.
उनके परिवार जन सब सुखी थे सब राज परिवार
All
सब सुखी थे
all are very
किंतु
happy.
कली के पेट में सदा सर्वदा
But the Kalya have
दर्द होता है, कष्ट होता
when
है,
the Kalya in the
पेट
previous life who's a
में
king have a pain in his stomach.
इतने दर्द होता था
Like so much pain in his stomach.
वो रहसान कर नहीं
He
पाते
cannot tolerate even that much pain he is
एक दिन कोई
having.
संत महात्मा
He was having.
उनके राज दरबार में
But the
पधारे
one saint came
संत
to
महात्मा के देख करके कहने
his
लगे महाराज
kingdom and he told to
मुझे कोई
that
ऐसी
Sant
कृपा
Mahatma,
करें
you do mercy
मेरे
on me
पेट
so
में
that my
बीमार
pain
जो आपसे
can
दर्शना
relieve,
जैसे होता है
because I
संत
can't
महात्मा
unable to
कहने
tolerate
लगे
it.
देखो
The Sant Mahatma was
एक काम
telling,
करो
you do one thing.
तुम्हारे बगीचे में दो कबूतर हैं
So in
उन
your
कबूतर के पकड़ करके
garden
तुम
there is a two
मांस खा लो
pigeon. If you will
और तुम्हारे पेट के सारे
eat the mass
ये तुम्हें
skin
अपने
of
हाथ
this
से
two
पकड़ना
pigeon,
पड़ेगा
then your pain will be
राजा ने
go
क्या
away.
कि
What the
उस बगीचे में गए
Raja has done, the
देखा
king
दो
has done.
कबूतर भी तो देखा
He saw the
किंतु
two
पकड़ना
pigeon,
संभव
but
नहीं था
actually this is impossible to catch the pigeon.
तो फिर संत महात्मा जी का प्रार्थना करने लगे
Then
संत
again he
महात्मा
went to the
कहने लगे
Sant
देखो
Mahatma and again he
वो
prayed to
कबूतर के
that
पकड़ने
Sant
के लिए मैं
Mahatma.
आपको उपाय बताता हूँ
So
ये
the
राजदेश तय देकर के
Sant Mahatma has told, I will
वैष्णव
tell
वेश
you
धारण
the
करो
way how to catch
वैष्णव
the
वेश क्या
pigeon.
है
You just give up your the Raj
गले में
Veshbhusha, means your the like you have to become Brahmin, you have to become Vaishnav,
ललाट पर
you have to
तिलक
put tilak on your forehead, and you have to wear the
और भगवत
tulsi
नाम
beads in your neck, and you have to chant the Bhagavad name.
राजवेश छोड़ दीजिए
You have to give up your
वैष्णव
the
वेश
king
धारण करो
form. You have to take the
उसी प्रकार
Vaishnav
राजा ने
form.
यदि ललाट पर
Then the
तिलक
Raja has
लगाया
done the same thing. He put the tilak on
और
his forehead and put
हाथ
the
पर जपमाला
wear
लेके
the tulsi
और
bead
भक्ति
and
करते हैं
keep the japmala in
देखो
his hand.
वैष्णव वेश देखते ही दोनों कबूतर
They're just seeing the Vaishnav's form.
राजा के गोद
The
में हाथ
two
रखे
pigeons
बैठे
comes in the lap of the king, who became as a
राजा
Brahmin
चित्त
or the
परिवर्तन
Vaishnav.
हो
So like
इसलिए
the
विचार करने लगे
Raja's heart
मैंने अपने पूर्वजन्म
changed.
में कुछ ऐसे कर्म किया जिस कर्म के फल
He
स्वरूप
was
मैं भोग
thinking
रहा
in
हूँ
his mind, I have done some bad activities
और
in my
फिर ये
previous life.
कबूतर
Due
दोनों
to
कबूतर
that
के
I'm
मार दिए
suffering
फिर
now.
इसी कर्मों
So
में आ गए
if I will kill these pigeons, then the again I will do the bad karma, and the result of that bad karma will
इसलिए
also
राजा
return
के
one
मन
day
में
to me.
विभूति हो गया
So the
राजा
Raja's
विचार
heart
करने
became
लगे नहीं
melting,
मैं
heart
क्यों न
melted.
मारूं
So then he decided
उस
not to
समय
kill
दोनों
the
कबूतर
pigeons.
कहने लगे
That
महाराज
time the
सुनिए
both pigeons are telling to the Raja,
आपके पेट में दर्द की
I will tell you the reason why you have a
अपने
stomach
संत
pain.
महात्मा के चरण में
You have done
अपराध किया,
the Vaishnava
जिस
Aparadh.
अपराध के
Due
फलस्वरूप
to that
आपको
offense,
पेट में दर्द,
you are getting this pain.
तो उसमें महाराज कहने लगे
That
वो
time,
संत महात्मा को कहा।
that time the
तो
Maharaj
उत्तर
was
कहने लगे महाराज
telling.
सुनिए, अभी आपके इसी बगीचा की
Then again,
एक वृक्ष के
king went to the Sant Mahatma.
दरख्त देखो, वो संत महात्मा विराजमान है।
So
उस संत
that
महात्मा के
Sant Mahatma
चरणामृत
is
यदि आप ग्रहण कर
present
लिया,
in your garden. If you will get the Charnamrit of that
ये तुम्हारी
Vaishnav,
मुक्ति है।
then your
तो उस समय महाराज ने
pain will
यदि
be get
उस
removed,
पेड़
and
के
you will
पास
get the relief from your pain if you
देखा
will
कि
get the
आपके पेड़
Charnamrit
के
of that
अंदर
Vaishnav.
भी
So he went to that
श्रद्धा।
near to that tree where the Sant
संत
Mahatma used to
महाराज
be
वहां
stay.
पर जाकर के
So
एक
the
महाराज जाकर के कहने लगे,
king went to near to that tree, and he said,
"हे संत महात्मा,
"Hey Sant Mahatma,
आप अपने चरण कमल में मुझे दर्शन
you
कराइए,
just show,
जिससे मैं
you
आपके
just
चरण
give
कमल
me the
में
darshan of your lotus feet,
धो करके
so I will drink the
और
charnamrit of your
चरणामृत मैं
lotus
पाऊंगा।"
feet."
देखो ऐसे इसी प्रकार कहने के साथ ही साथ
So by just telling this,
वो गड्ढे से गर्त से एक पैर निकल गया।
so the one feet is
वो पैर कैसे
come
था?
out
बिल्कुल
from that hole,
सड़ा गला
and
जैसे
the feet is just like
था।
fullest like in a dirty condition, like just very
इससे खड़ा वाला गंध
like with so much blood and so much like one kind of disease like uh, क्या कहेंगे
राजा
कुष्ठ
मन ही
रोग,
मन विचार करने
leprosy,
लगे,
leprosy.
इस चरण पे होकर के मैं कैसे चरणामृत कैसे पान करूं।
So
फिर मन ही मन विचार करने
the
लगे,
king was thinking,
मेरा लेकिन
how
उसी
can I
चरण में
drink,
जरूर
how can I drink the
गंगा
water
होगा।
from that feet.
ऐसे कह करके राजा ने कहने लगे, हे संत महात्मा,
Then he
आप
said
अपने
to the Sant
दूसरी
Mahatma,
चरण में जो है
you please give your
प्रकट
another
कराइए।
feet.
कहने के साथ ही साथ दूसरी चरण निकल करके
So
आ गया।
by just
वो भी
telling this,
इतना
the
ही गंध दुर्गंध
second feet also come out,
आपके
but
पूरे
it is
मानस
also same, just like
कीड़े हिल 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 कर रहा था।
the insects was just rolling on
राजा
the
देख करके
feet,
डर गया,
and
क्या है?
mask को क्या कहेंगे skin flash,
राजा ने
the
जैसे ही
flash is also like
उस
coming
चरण
out.
से होकर के अपने हाथ में ले लिया,
So king actually
एक
washed the
कीड़े
feet,
भी हाथ में लिया, आगे
and he took the water in his
और
hand,
वहां से पूरे भी हाथ
and
में आ गए।
one flash also came in the hand of the king, and
तो
this
कैसे
insect
पान करें?
also
उस
came on
समय
the
राजा
hand
ने
of the
जैसे ही
king. So that time what the raja has done,
ऐसे
king has
लगाया कि
done,
बिच्छू
he
मुख
just
पर
touched
लगाया,
his
पान नहीं किया,
the
अपने
lotus feet, and
सिर पर
he
लगाया।
just put everything on his head.
तो देखो आश्चर्य की बात है,
He just touched his lips, but he
जब
didn't
राजा ने
drink, and he put his on his head.
वसंत महात्मा के चरणामृत जो है केवल फोटो पर लगा, पान नहीं किया,
He just only
और सिर पर
drunk.
लगा, कितने सुगंध आने लगे।
He just only touched and put
राजा
everything
महाराज
on the
कितनी
head. So much
सुगंध
beautiful
सुगंध
fragrance was coming from that, and all the
और
directions
फिर
speak fragrant by it.
संत महात्मा ने अभिशाप दे दिया,
That
हे
time
मूर्ख राजन,
the Sant Mahatma has
जो
cursed to the
सब है
king,
कपट है,
you have the hypocrisy nature,
हैं? मेरे चरणामृत के पान करने के लिए तुमने बोला,
and you told me
मैं
you
चरण
want to
दे दिया
drink my
और तुम चरणामृत
Charnamrit,
पान नहीं,
but you didn't drink the Charnamrit.
छल कपट है,
You have
ऊपर से एक बोलते हैं और
like you have a
दूसरे एक करते हैं।
hypocrisy nature, because you told me something
इसलिए
and you are
कपट
doing
कपट
something.
व्यक्ति के वचन दो होता है,
So the Kapati
वो
Bhakti, the
ईश्वर की ज्ञान
hypocrisy
विवेक
personality has
कलात्मक
two hearts. Like from externally he is
फिर
different,
छल
and
कपट
internally
व्यक्ति
is
होते हैं,
different.
दुष्ट व्यक्ति
Like
होते हैं,
who is a
वो उपदेश का
hypocrisy,
पाठ करते हैं और
hypocrite
अंदर से
personality.
ये छल कपट के लक्षण
Hypocrisy.
हैं। उनके दो जिहा होते हैं,
So they have the two tongues. They
ये
are
छल कपट व्यक्ति
inside,
बोलते
they
से
are
कितने जिहा
different,
होते हैं,
and they are outside different.
बोलता है एक और
Like he is telling something and doing another thing.
ये सर्प है क्या,
That person is
सर्प
known
होकर
as a
तुम
snake.
जन्म लिए।
So you became
देखो महाराज ने
snake.
अभिशाप दे दिया,
So that's why that
उस समय संत
king
महात्मा
became as
होते,
an Akalia.
उसमें महाराज रोने लगे,
So the king has started
मैं
to
कपट
cry.
नहीं हूँ महाराज, मुझे क्षमा कीजिए।
So he has started
उस समय
asking for
संत
the
महात्मा कहने
forgiveness.
लगे, जाओ
Then
मैंने
the Sant
अभिशाप दे दिया,
Mahatma told, I
पर
gave
वो
you
यही
curse. you will
Jetzt
become
meine Moment, warum wir dann?
you will become snake, but
Darum
I'm
ist mein
giving
Sinn
you
Bhagavan Krishna.
benediction too. But the in a Dwapar, the Krishna himself came,
काली होकर के
and you became a Kalya
यानी सर्प होकर के
as in a snake.
वृंदावन में
You will reside in Vrindavan.
और जमुना की जब काली जमुना में रहोगे
You will stay at a
स्वयं को
Kalya Dhe
भगवान
and the swim the God himself.
उनके चित्त को अपराधी चरण कमल में ध्यान करें।
You will attain the lotus feet of the Krishna. So that benediction has to given by the Sant Mahatma. So without the mercy of the Sant Mahatma, no one can attain the lotus feet of the Krishna. So,
भगवान की
but the Kalya who have a very demonic personality, but still he attained the Lord's lotus feet just by the mercy of
इसमें काली
the
जी
Sant
पूर्वा
Mahatma.
जीवन की इतिहास और भी अनेक कथाएं
So
हैं
many other stories like in the Puran, different stories has mentioned about the
अनेक
Kalya.
बार काली की कथा के
So
वर्णन
now I
करते हैं।
will tell you the further Hari Katha.
श्री सुखदेव गोस्वामी पाद
Srila Shukdev Goswami
ये
Pad,
गुरु कथा के वर्णन करने के पश्चात
after just
उन
describing all
गोपियों
this
की
Hari
महिमा
Katha,
प्रकाश करने
he
लगा।
start he want Shukdev Goswami want to glorify the gopis.
सुखदेव गोस्वामी के हृदय में ब्रज गोपियों की जो भावना हृदय में है वो तो बोलना चाहते हैं किंतु विचार करने लगे
Shukdev Goswami want to
इस कथा
glorify
को
the
कैसे
gopis,
वर्णन करें।
but he was thinking,
आगे
how can
जाकर
I
के
tell
कथा
this Katha?
राधा आदि गोपियां भी वर्णन करते हैं।
So the
श्री सुखदेव गोस्वामी
Srimati
पाद
Radharani also
राधा आदि
describing this
गोपियों
Katha.
की कथा जो वर्णन करने लगी जा रही है
When the Shuddha
जब
Goswami
राधा
Pad
आदि
is
गोपियां
going to describe about the Radharani and
सुखदेव
others
गोस्वामी
gopis,
पाद के
so
निकट
Shukdev Goswami Pad, the Radharani
प्रकट होकर कहने लगे
herself manifest in front
सुनो
of the Shukdev Goswami
ये सुखदेव
Pad. Hey
अब
Shukdev,
उसकी कथा अभी वर्णन मत करो
don't
क्योंकि अनेक प्रकार
don't
के
tell
अनधिकारी लोग बैठे रहते
about her about us,
हैं
because many of the
और दोनों ही
unqualified
ऐसे विपुल
people are sitting in the
सत्व
assembly. So
विचार
this is
करने
a very
की कथा
confidential
सभी सुनने के लिए
tattva.
अधिकार ही नहीं
So nobody has such level of listening such Hari
तथापि
Katha.
सुखदेव गोस्वामी
But still,
पाद
the Shuddha Goswami Pad,
गुरु भक्त के में सिरधार से करके
he actually take uh,
परोक्ष रूप में गोपियों की
he
प्रेम को
accept
महिमा कथा को
like
दिखाने की
his his Gurudev
क्योंकि
words very
बहुत
sincerely,
लोग
but he described
चाहते हैं
everything
श्रीमद्
in a
भागवत
very
में राधा
indirect
रानी और
way.
गोपी के नाम ही
Somebody used to
के
say
नाम
like the Radhas and
राधा
other
गीता
gopis name is not mentioned in the Bhagavad
चंद्रावली
Gita. So have you heard
तो
any
गोपियों के
name?
नाम
Have you seen any name in the Srimad
फिर
Bhagavatam
क्यों नहीं
like
नाम
Radha and others gopis like Lita Vishaka? There is a no
हमारे जीव
name
गोस्वामी
has
पाद
mentioned,
बताते हैं
but the Shuddha Goswami Pad has
देखो
mentioned in
श्रीमद्
an
भागवत
indirect way.
में
The Jiv
और
Goswami
श्लोक
Pad
में
is saying in every shlokas
राधा
of the
आदि
Srimad
गोपियों का
Bhagavatam. So every shlokas have the name of the Srimati Radharani and others gopis.
किंतु जो रसिक जन
But who
वो
is the
समझ सकते
Rasik
हैं
Jan? Who is on a
और जो अरसिक जन वो समझ नहीं पाते
who is Rasik Jan, Rasik that can
इसी करके
understand, but
श्रीमद्
who
भागवत
are
को
not
श्रवण कर
Rasik
सकते हैं
that cannot understand. So
रसिक
that's
ही
why
हुई
tell that
हाँ
like who can relish the
निगम
Srimad
कल्पतरु
Bhagavatam, who are a
गलित
Rasik Janam, Nigam Kalpatru, Galit Phalam,
युगल
Shukmukhadamritam, Darvasayutam, Pivatam
श्रीमद् भागवत
Bhagavatam,
रस
Rasma
मानव
Alayam, Muhuraho Rasika
मुहु
Bhuvi
रहो रसिका
Bhavuka.
भूवि
So like who can relish the Srimad Bhagavatam? Only the
श्रीमद्
Rasik Jan only
गोस्वामी
can
पाद
relish
का
Srimad
श्रीमद्
Bhagavatam.
भागवत में सर्वत्र ही
Because in everywhere in
राधा
a
आदि
Srimad
गोपियों की
Bhagavatam, so there is everywhere the name of the Radhas and others gopis has mentioned.
हमारे आचार्य पाद इस प्रकार
So
का
our
वर्णन
Acharya
करते
Pad
हैं
has
आगे
describing
की
in
कथा
such a way.
के ऊपर वर्णन करते हैं सुखदेव गोस्वामी पाद
So I'm Shruti Goswami Pad describing the further Katha.
गोपियों की कृष्ण के प्रति जो प्रगाढ़ जो प्रेम
So the gopis have a
जो छूटे
very
हुए थे
very deep faith for Krishna, which is
आज
high
उनके
yet.
प्रेमानंद प्रकाश में
Just now by seeing the Kalya
गोपियां
after
अपने
the
अपने
Kalya
दुनिया में
Damalila,
रह करके
the love
निरंतर
is
के
start
रूप
to
को विरागी
manifest.
कीर्तन करते हैं जिसके श्री सुखदेव गोस्वामी पाद श्रीमद् भागवत में
So
वेणुवित के नाम में प्रसिद्ध है
then after that
श्रीमद् भागवतम
the
दशम
Venu
स्कंद
Geet Leela Shruti
21
Goswami Pad has
अध्याय
describing.
में
So in
वेणुवित की प्रसंग
in the 21st
वर्णन
chapter and a 10th canto and 21st
कृष्ण
chapter,
जब
the
गोचारण
Shruti Goswami
के
Pad
लिए
is
अवतार
describing when the Krishna used
उस
to
समय कृष्ण
go for
गोविंद
the
के इतने सुंदर रूप
cow
के रूप
grazing.
में देख करके गोपियां
So how the
अपने
gopis are
गृह में
get
रह करके
attracted towards
गंदगी माधुर्य
the
की वर्णन
Krishna's
करते
beauty.
देखो
So they are staying at their home and describing the beauty of the Krishna. So the Krishna have the 464 qualities,
64 उसमें चार जो गुण जो है
but the
एक
four
मात्र भजन में
qualities only
अवतार में दी नहीं
available in
लीला
Krishna's only
माधुर्य
Leela
प्रेम
Madhurya, Prem
माधुर्य
Madhurya,
रूप
Roop Madhurya,
माधुर्य
Venu
और
Madhurya, Venu Madhurya. So these four qualities is not available in other incarnation. Only the Krishna have these four special qualities. So this is only available in Vrajendra Nanda and Sham Sundar. So that's why the gopis
कृष्ण के सुंदर मधुमा भी वर्णन किए
are
कि कृष्ण
describing the
जब
very sweetness of Krishna
उच्चारण के लिए
when
जाते
the Krishna is
कैसे
going for the
कैसे
cow
सुंदर
grazing. So how the beautiful form he is having Varaha
वर्णन
Nat Varapedam Natvarvapu Karanyo Karanikaram
विप्रतपादुकनकवीशं वैजन्त्यमानं
Randhan
रन्ध्रमाणोदयं
Venonada Sudaya Purane
पुरणपोगविन्दे
Gopinde
वृन्दारणं
Vrindaranayam
रमणसफलं
Swapadramanam
गीतकीर्ति वर्धापीडं नरप्रभुं कर्णपरिकारं विप्रतपादुकनकवीशं वैजन्त्यमानं रन्ध्रमाणो वेणोरमस्य पुरणपोगविन्दे वृन्दारणं सपदरमणं प्राविशतकीर्ति कृष्ण जब
when the Krishna
सभाओं के साथ
with his friends he used to play his flute,
उच्चारण में जाते हैं
used to go for the cow grazing,
अथवा बच्चे
the cow and the calves also
में जाते हैं
for
उस
grazing
समय
of the
गोविंद
cow
के
and
इतने
calves.
सुंदर रूप वर्णन हो जाते
So the beautiful form of
कैसे
the
सुंदर
Krishna is
मणिपुर
described by the
मणिपुर
Shuddha Goswami
कैसे
Pad,
सिर
how
पर
the beautiful
धारण करे
like peacock feather he's
नटवर को
carrying on his head,
त्रिभंग ललित होकर के
like
कैसे
tree side folded
विप्रत भाव
he having the form.
वैजंती मालम
He used to wear the
कैसे सुंदर
Vaijanti
पीताम्बर
garland, and
धारण किया
how the pitambar his
और विशेष करके एक कनेर
dress
का पुष्प को
is,
भी इस कान में लगाते हैं और
and
दूसरी
the specially
कान में
he used to wear
लगा
the flower kanner
अनंत
flower
विराट विप्रत
sometimes
भाव
on a near to ear, like
और
he used
गोपियों
to
के
put.
द्वारा होते हुए सुंदर वैजंती माला को जो है
And the garland
गले
is
पर
made by the gopis,
धारण करते
and he used to wear that
सभाओं के
Vajanti garland on his neck,
कंधे पर गल वैजंत लेकर के चलते
and
हैं
he used to
तिरछी
walk,
नजर के द्वारा
keep his
सबकी
hand on the
जीवंत जो है
shoulder of his
धारण करते
friend. he
विशेष करके
he
गोपियों
have
की
a very restless eyes, and
मन
he is stealing
चित्त भी कैसे
everyone's
धारण
heart
करते
by his
कृष्ण
beautiful form. So how he is like
इस ढंग से कथा
walking.
हमारे आचार्य का बहुत
So
पुस्तक
this is a
में
very beautiful form of
वर्णन
the Krishna has described by our Acharya Pad.
तो कृष्ण के विरुद्ध ध्वनि सुन करके
So by just
सभी
sharing the voice of
विपरीत
his
दशा प्राप्त कर जाते
Venu
हैं यानी
sound, so all
चलने वाले वो
take
स्थिर
the
हो जाते
opposite directions. The like
हैं और
all
जो
doing
स्थिर
the
वस्तु जो है
opposite things,
वो
like which is
चलना शुरू हो जाता
unstable
है
that
प्रभु
becomes
की विरुद्ध
stable, and
ध्वनि
which is
है
stable that become unstable, which is like
विशेष
so this is the speciality. After just listening the Krishna's
वृंदावन
Venu sound,
सखी हो
everyone is behaving opposite to
दीवानों
their
के
nature.
दिल जल देव विष्णु लक्ष्मण वृंदावनम सभी को
Sakhi ho
विनोदी
Patan
कीर्तन की जब देव विष्णु
Nirkisuta
पदार्थ
Padambur
गोविंद वेणु उन्मत्त मयूर नित्यम प्रख्याति सम्म वरदान समस्त एक सखी दूसरे सखी के
The
निकट
one
कहने लगी
friend is telling
ये
to the
सखी
another his Sakhi,
ये वृंदावन कैसे मधुर है
this Vrindavan is how
वृंदावन
beautiful.
को विनोदी कीर्तन वृंदावन की महिमा किसके द्वारा
Vrindavan's
सूचित होती है
glorification is
भले गोविंद के चरण चिन्ह आज तक भी
described by
वृंदावन
the
में कहीं
lotus
भी जा
feet
रहे
of
हैं
the Krishna.
गोविंद के चरण चिन्ह आपको देखने
Like
को
when
मिलेंगे आज
nowadays
से
also,
पिछले
if you will go
5000
to the
साल
Vrindavan, you will see the Krishna's lotus feet, and the Krishna
गोविंद
came
के विरुद्ध
5,000
ध्वनि
years back
सुनते ही
just by hearing the sound of the Krishna's
देखो
Venu.
पत्थर भी
How
पिघल
the stone also
बड़ी बड़ी
getting
घास
melt.
बड़ी बड़ी घास
Choti Baithan, Badi Baithan.
आप जाइए
If you will go to there,
तपोवन चरण
Kamevan,
पहाड़ियां
Charan Pahadi.
गोविंद का विरुद्ध ध्वनि करने के साथ ही
So
साथ
as the Krishna like
पत्थर
playing
भी
the flute,
पिघल
the
आज आपको
stone also
विरुद्ध
getting
ध्वनि
melt,
है
and the Krishna's
केवल
lotus
भगवान गोविंद के चरण चिन्ह
feet
नहीं
signs are there, even not just the
हिरण के
signs
चरण
of
से
the
जुड़े आपको
lotus
दिखेंगे,
feet, even you will
मोर
get
के
the
चरण
signs
चिन्ह भी देखने
of
को मिलेंगे,
feet of deer,
गायों की चरण
even the
चिन्ह,
peacock's feet sign is there, even the cow's hooves sign is there.
वृंदावन कितनी जब देखो सुबह पदार्थ गोविंद वेणु उन्मत्त मयूर नित्यम, गोविंद के ध्वनि सुनते ही मोर और मोरनी
Just by, like, even the female peacock and the male peacock like start to dance after listening the
अपने
voice
मन में
of
पैदा
Krishna's
करके
Venu.
नृत्य करना,
They actually spread their feathers and they
फिर
start
से निशान
dance.
वरदान में समझ वह गिरिराज गोवर्धन की ऊंचे स्थान से नीचे आकर के और कैसे दिखता दिखा,
So like how the clouds also
यह नहीं सुदेव से बात करेंगे महाराज करके
dancing. So even the Shukdev Goswami Pad saying to the Parishit Maharaj, listen,
जानपात विचित्र वेशम अकर्ण वेणुरणितम समशीर्ष सारा भुजा नीरज प्राणायामलोक, जब सुदेव गोस्वामी पाद
when the Shukdev Goswami Pad,
परीक्षित महाराज के निकट
like in front of the Parishit Maharaj,
गोविंद के वेणु की महिमा कीर्तन कर
he was describing
मानो
the
साक्षात रूप में
the glorification of the
उसको दर्शन करके गाते हैं।
sound of Venu. Like Shukdev Goswami Pad is listening that Venu and describing, just because etaha, the word itself like Shukdev Goswami Pad seeing and telling.
वृंदावन के हिरण और
Like
हिरणी की अवस्था
see,
देखिए,
देखो, listen, see how the position of the female and a male deer
गोविंद के
after
वेणु ध्वनि
listening
सुन
the
करके
sound
और
of the venus,
आगे
how
बढ़ते हैं।
look at their positions,
और
how
उनके
they become
पीछे
mad,
पीछे
how the
मानो
female deer
हिरण पति हिरण
is just following the sound of the Krishna's
और
Venu,
दोनों
and just after that the
हिरणी और हिरण
Hiran's
दोनों
husband, the
ही
male deer is
गोविंद के
following.
सन्निकट में आ गए।
So like the both the female and a male deer is come near to the Krishna and staring with their
केवल
eyes
गोविंद के
to the
ऐसे सुंदर
Krishna.
रूप देख
So
करके
just by seeing the very beautiful form of the Krishna, and like they became intoxicated and the
और उससे
tears
देख
fall
भगवान
down from their
कृष्ण
eyes. At the time the
और वो
Krishna,
उनकी पीठ पर
and the Krishna is just
और उससे
consoling on their back,
उनकी हृदय और भी जल्दी
and by that
हृदय
their
धन्यवाद
heart
समर्पित
also
हिरण
became
से
more
गिरता
melted. And
जान अनुपात विचित्र वेशम आकर्ण वेणु ललितम सकृष्ण सार, मेरे जीवन की सार क्या है,
what is the essence of the life?
कहते हैं गोविंद भजन कृष्ण,
Like the Govind bhajan, the Krishna bhajan is
ऐसे
only the
दुर्लभ
essence of
मनुष्य
life.
शरीर प्राप्त करके
If you get this
जीवन
human
भर
body
गोविंद
which is very
भजन नहीं
rare,
किया,
who doesn't did
उनकी
the
जीवन
who doesn't perform
है,
the Krishna bhajans, so their life is
मृदंगा पे
waste.
बजते हैं,
So we are
मृदंग
playing the
क्या है,
mridang.
कहते हैं धिक तान
So
धिक
the
तान,
mridang, the sound is coming from the mridang is
कहते हैं
diktan, diktan.
ऐसे दुर्लभ
Like your life is
मनुष्य
waste.
शरीर
You
प्राप्त
get
करके
this rarest human
जीवन
form
भजन नहीं
and you
करते,
are not performing the bhajan. So your life is waste.
जीवन की एक ही
So
सार
the essence of the life is only
हम भगवान के
we do the Lord's
कृष्ण
bhajan.
सारा
Sa Krishna
कृष्ण
Sar,
सार
Krishna Sar.
दो प्रकार की अर्थता है,
So there is a two meanings of that
एक
Krishna
प्रकार
Sar.
की वृक्ष होता है जंगल में रहता है,
He used to stay in a
क्योंकि
deep forest
विशेष करके वृंदावन की
because
गर्मी
especially
के समय
in the
इतने तेज धूप पड़ते हैं
summer times the
और
Vrindavan
हिरण
have a very hot sunlight
शरीर
comes,
में जो है
so the
भारी
black spots like falls
इसलिए
on
वो
the
हिरण
body of
जंगल में
deer.
रहता है,
So
तो
that's
हिरण
why the
कहता
deer
है
used to stay in a deep
कृष्ण
forest,
सार भी कहता
which
है
is known as a Krishna Sar deer.
और दूसरी भी कहते हैं
And the
कहते हैं
other meaning of the Krishna Sar
जीवन
is
के हमारे तात्पर्य क्या है,
what is the
सार क्या है,
purpose of our life, what is the sense of our life. The Bhagavad Bhakti, Bhagavad
ऐसे
Bhajan is the
भगवान
essence of
आपकी
our
बातें
life.
मनुष्य शरीर प्राप्त
Just by
करके जो लोग
getting
हैं जिन्होंने
this
भगवत
human
भजन
body
नहीं
who
किया
doesn't perform the
उनकी
bhajan,
जीवन व्यर्थ
so
है।
that life is waste only.
हमारे टीकाकार की कहानी
So our Acharya Pad
धन्यवाद मोर
commenter
ये राजन विचित्र
is saying this shloka.
आकर्ण वेणु रणितम कृष्ण सार उदाहरण प्रजा प्रणयाम और देखो हिरण हिरणी गोविंद के सानिध्य में बैठ करके
These
केवल आंखों की धारा पड़ेगा
like the female deer and a male deer is sitting near to the Krishna, and they are just they are the tears rolling from their eyes, and they are crying by seeing the Krishna. They are like an animal, but the Krishna is above Grai. Janardhan is taking the moods of the this deer deer's mood. So even taking as a taking birth in a braj as an animal or a bird, it's not an easy. So Uddhav ji is also praying to become as an a blade, grass blade of braj.
जागृत सज्जन आद्य पदम से हित्वा भेद मुकुंद पदवी पृथ्वी
So Uddhav ji stutis, he is also praying to become as an trained like an very to become a grass blade.
पशु पक्षियों के लिए जन्म भी साधारण नहीं
Even it is not an ordinary to become a bird and an animal in a braj. So these all are transcendental.
दुष्टे समंत सर्वानंद मुकुंद देव लीलानुकूलम परम शास्त्रेव
These all are for the favorable of Leela. Like in a braj, nothing, no one is like unfavorable to Krishna Leela. So all the animals, even the birds, even the insects, even in the snake, they all are favorable for the Krishna's Leela. Even the scorpion, like even the scorpion,
कृष्ण लीलानुकूलम
even the spider, these all are the favorable for the Krishna's Leelas.
वृंदावन की एक सांप कोई साधारण नहीं है
Even the snake of the Vrindavan is not an ordinary.
मिलन की उदाहरण
That is also arranging the meeting of Radha and Krishna. So one time the Radha and Krishna was sitting on the Radha Kund. So that time the Radha was came as in a sulky mood,
कृष्ण की छोड़ कर
and she left the Krishna and
कृष्ण और राधा को मान मनाने के लिए
went away from the Krishna. Krishna has tried so much to break the sulky mood of Srimati Radharani, but the Radharani didn't agree.
किंतु देखो
Krishna even played the flute, but actually the Radharani put the cotton in her ears. She didn't listen the voice of his Venu. So she put the cotton in her both of the ears. So that's why she didn't get the sound of the Vanshi sound, the flute sounds.
राधा जी राधा की मान कृष्ण वृंदावन में कृष्ण
Our Gurudev used to say, in Krishna and Vrindavan used to carry the flute, but in other place like Mathura and Dwarka, he don't carry the flute just because
दारिका अथवा मथुरापुरी में कृष्ण थोड़ा बहुत सीरियस हो जाए तो वहाँ पर सारी महिषियाँ आदि के मान अपने आप
even the Krishna became little angry, so all the sulky mood of the Maheshis went away.
किंतु देखो वृंदावन में
But the Vrindavan,
गोपियों की मान मनाने के लिए
for the Vrindavan, the Krishna to please the gopis, he used to play the flute. So like further I will explain you the Raslila Katha. So how the gopis conditions begins, how they became mad by just listening the sound of the Vanchi.
और राधा जी देखी
So at the Krishna has placed the flute, but the Radharani has put cotton in her ears, so the sound of the flute is not passing in her ear.
कृष्ण ने विचार कर राधा जी के मान कैसे बनाए
So the Krishna is thinking how I can please the Srimati Radharani.
जो मैं स्मरण है
So that time the Krishna has think about the Yog Maya. So that time the Yog Maya manifests the black Krishna snake, manifests the black snake, which is the same complexion as Krishna. So the way of the Braj is very narrow. The one person only can pass away from that place. You cannot even go left and right. You only have to walk the straight. So in front of the Srimati Radharani there is a snake, and the snake is doing the hiss. So what the Radharani is doing, she can't go further. Even she cannot go to the left and the right. she start to like loudly she's calling the name of the Krishna. Hey Krishna, hey Krishna, Krishna Krishna, hey Mahabahu, please save me, please save me. So as the Radharani start calling her name, so, and she embraced the Krishna. So as like the Radharani get pleased by the Krishna, and her sulky mood went away. So in this shloka is saying, even the Brahma and the big devotees, they are doing the pranam to the dust of the Braj, just because the dust of the Braj is not in ordinary. That's why in a Venu Gate, in a very beautiful way, it is described how the sound of the Vanshi is getting attracted to everyone. So even the gopis herself describing the glorification of the Vanshi, the flute. So the further katha we are describing. So Srila Shuddha Goswami Pad in front of the Parishit Maharaj, he told the many Braj Leela pastimes, especially even the Chir Haran Leela, the stealing of the clothes, and further even the Giriraj Dharan Leela. Because the Brajvasis are very simple. They are very humble. So according to the principle of the Braj, they used to worship the Indra. So there is one day, the Krishna, in a early morning, he woke up and he saw the mother Yashoda. She is preparing many stuffs. Just seeing this, the Krishna become very worried. Why you are preparing so much things today? So he went to the kitchen and the Krishna said, you just go away from here. So every day the Yashoda Maya used to take the Krishna in her lap, but now today the mother is saying, you go away from here. So she is preparing very tasty laddus, kacholis, and the Krishna became tempted by seeing this. The Yashoda Maya said, okay, you went away from here, you don't stand here. So the Krishna became very sad by just this behavior of Yashoda. So he went to the Nand Baba and sat in the lap of the Nand Baba. So even today, like it is a far, the mother Yashoda is taking me in lap. Even she is telling me to go away from here. She is preparing very tasty laddu kachori, like for my birthday or for Dauji's birthday. So Nand Maharaj was telling, today is not your birthday, even not Dauji's birthday. By the principle of the Braj, we used to perform the Indra Puja. Indradev, who is the Indradev? The Krishna is asking. Indra is the king of heaven. So that's why we are performing the worship of Indra. What happened by just doing the Indra Puja? Nand Maharaj was telling, Indra is the heaven of Indra is the king of heaven. He used to do the rain. So that's why the water comes in a Braj. Just by the water, the grass manifests. So just for taking the water from the Indra, we are performing the Indra worship.
फिर पिताजी ये वो बताइए
Then the Krishna was telling,
जहाँ के लोग इंद्र पूजा नहीं करते हैं, क्या वहाँ पर बारिश नहीं होती है?
where the people are not performing the Indra
अच्छा,
puja,
वही बारिश कहाँ पर होती है?
there they are not getting water. So where the most rain falls
पहाड़ों की चोटी पर
on the mountains,
वर्षा
like most rainfalls happens on the mountains.
समुद्र में कौन इंद्र पूजा करते हैं?
So in a ocean, who is performing
ज्यादा बारिश कहाँ पर
the
होती है?
Indra worship? So where the most
कौन इंद्र पूजा करते हैं?
on the mountains who is worshipping the Indra, and on oceans who is worshipping the Indra. So there the most of the rains happens.
देखो
So Krishna was showing to the Pitaji, oh father,
बारिश देने वाला नहीं।
Indra is not the one who is giving the rain. This is the nature.
सुनो, माया दक्षिणा प्रकृति ईश्वर देश
So even the Krishna saying in the Bhagavad Gita,
जगत की परिवर्तन प्रकृति बात प्रकृति अपने अपने क्रिया आदि करते रहता है।
so the nature itself doing activities,
समय पर
like
गर्मी के समय
on the time, like the summers comes, on the time the winters comes. So nature is performing the activities. Sometimes the rainy seasons comes, on the time
ठंडी के समय
winters comes.
प्रकृति अपने अपने कार्य आदि
So the nature is performing her
प्रकृति
activities.
जो जितने भी कार्य है
So whatever the nature is doing, from like
मालिक
who is on
कौन है?
whose order she is performing her activities.
जिनकी
So
आदेश से
the God's orders
आदि उदित हुए।
only, like she is performing by the order the Surya and the sun and the moon are rising. So like all the
वेदों में उपनिषद
on the earth planet, everyone is doing their work just on the order of Krishna. That is Partatva, the Krishna himself.
सूर्य पूर्व दिशा पर उदित हुए। किसके आदेश से?
The sun rises from the east side on whose order?
सूर्य
By the order of Lord.
छिप जाते हैं, छिप जाते हैं।
The sun is sunset happens at the west side. So on whose order like sun is getting set.
देवता लोग भी अपने अपने कार्य करते हैं।
So by the order of the lords only other demigods are working.
वही बात पर भगवान जिन
This-
चरण में सभी देवता लोग सिर झुका करके प्रणाम करते हैं।
All the demigods are bow down their head and performing their bhajan.
वास्तव में इंद्र
The Krishna is telling to his father,
ये पानी देने वाला नहीं।
the Indra is not the one who is giving
हम
water.
इंद्र पूजा क्यों करें?
Why we perform the Indra puja?
देखो हम लोग ब्रजवासी हैं। ब्रज में हमारा अधिष्ठात्री देवता कौन है? ब्रज के अधिष्ठात्री देवता
So who is
गिरिराज महाराज की।
the worshipable deity of the Vrindavan? The Giriraj Govardhan is the worshipable deity of the Braj.
कृष्ण साहब कहने लगे
The Krishna himself was telling,
हम गिरिराज पूजा करेंगे।
so we will perform the Giriraj puja.
आकाश में बादल आए,
So like in
काले बादल छा जाते।
the sky the clouds comes. So where these clouds are collapsing, or
गुरुदेव कहते थे, देखो कृष्ण के समय दावर युग में
so at the time of the Krishna,
कितने ऊंचे था।
so at the time of the Krishna, the Giriraj is so high.
गिरिराज गोवर्धन की छाया जो है ये मथुरा तक भी
Even the shadow of the Giriraj went to Mathura also. So the Giriraj was so high at the time of the Krishna.
इसमें कृष्ण जुक्ति दिखाने लगे थे सर हम सब गिरिराज गोवर्धन नहीं जाते क्योंकि बादल यहाँ पर गिरिराज गोवर्धन
So the Krishna was telling the cloud was
और घास होती है, गाय घास खाती है। और फिर गाय
because the cloud are clashing on the mountains.
गिरिराज गोवर्धन
So we will go to the Giriraj Govardhan. So just because of we will go to the Giriraj Govardhan. We are the Gop Jati. So we will worship the Giriraj Govardhan.
ऐसे सुंदर सुंदर जुक्ति
So the Krishna has showed beautiful
महाराज
reasons to perform the Giriraj Govardhan. So by just listening the Krishna's words, the Nand Baba is like not able to give any answer. Even the all the old age, the meeting has emergency meeting has happened, and all the big people of the Braj come. So like the Nand Baba has declared that today we will not perform Indra worship, we will perform today Giriraj Puja. So Maharaj has declared, hey Brajvasis people, so like today you has prepared many kinds of the stuff, so we will offer everything to the Giriraj Govardhan and bring everything for the Talhati of the Giriraj Govardhan. So all the Brajvasis, so just see here, all the Brajvasis came, like keep everything for surroundings of the Giriraj Govardhans, like all the laddu, kachori, pakoda, everything they keep sides of the Giriraj Govardhans, whatever the dal, chawal, kachori. So they keep place everything on the sides of the Giriraj Govardhan. In the in a one form, the Krishna himself climb on the mountain. On another place he was with the Nand Baba, and on another place like he's on the top of the Giriraj Govardhan. So the so like the whatever the Brajvasis has offered, so Giriraj eat everything. So the Krishna himself is saying, hey Brajvasis, have you ever seen the Indra used to eat? So the Brajvasis replied, no, we didn't see the Indra has take eat anything in front of us. So like we used to offer the Indra, so all the ants comes and used to eat. If you will not give everything, you will not give the if will not give offered anything with the proper way to Krishna, then the Lord will not attend. So like those who will offering anything with with the devotion, that's only accepted by the Krishna. If you don't have the devotion, then the Lord will be, if you will give the thousands of stuffs to eat to the Lord, but if you don't have the but you don't give it the devotion, then the ants will come in and eat that food, but the Lord will not gonna to be eat this. So the Lord accept everything with the devotion and with the love. So by the devotions only the Lord accept anything. So the Krishna himself was telling, so this Giriraj Govardhan, how's it, so like he's accepting your everything and just like eating very fast with the thousands of his hands. So like with the thousands of his hands he start to eat, and even not that, he's was telling anure anure, like comes more, like brings more. This is known as an Abraj Bhasha. This is not in a Hindi Bhasha. This is known as an Abraj Bhasha. Even today, the Krishna son's son, Brajnab. So that's why he manifested one village which is known as an Anor Gaon. This is a Braj language. There is a little difference between the Bangla and the Braj Bhasha. Who used to speak with a who used to speak with a speak pure Braj Bhasha and a pure Bangla Bhasha, both look similar. This is not my words which is written. Anure, like brings more, like brings more. So how the Brajvasis became so much excited. So like if in front of us like Lord will aid, so how much will become happy. So in this world, all if you will give anything to your loved ones, if he or she accept your things, then how much you become happy. So when the Krishna was playing the flute, the peacock has started to dance. So the peacock was thinking that I'm a bird. How can I offer? What can I offer to the Krishna? So the peacock has gave their one feather. So the Govind accept that feather and he put on his head. On his head. So Gurudev used to describe this. Why the Krishna used to carry the peacock feather on his head. So the bhag, the Lord devotee has given with the devotion. So God accepts his all of the things with so much respect. So my purpose is to tell this the Brajvasis seeing seen like how the Giraj Govardhan like accepting everything directly and even saying to bring more. So the Brajvasis went to their house and they bring many stuffs they has prepared and they brings all of them to an offer to Giraj Govardhan. And now it's a time of noon, afternoon. So the Krishna was thinking, my Brajvasis, now they became very tired. Now the Krishna is telling, hey Giriraj Govardhan, our like poor Brajvasis, whatever they have given to you, you just be satisfied by it only. Now you will be now you please become satisfied by it only whatever the Brajvasis has offered. So like the Giraj Govardhan has drunk the water from other the rivers Mansi, Gangas and others rivers and he keep everything empty. So the Krishna himself was thinking about like there should be some prasad for the devotees also. So that what the Yogmaya has done, the Yogmaya now keep full all of the pots. Now all the stuffs comes like become full again. So now the all the Brajvasis will decided to take this all the prasadam of Giraj Govardhan. What the Brajvasis used to do, they don't used to clean their hand. These all are the Ragatmik Jan. They don't used to keep their hands clean. Who is the Who is the Brajvasi? Is Swarasiki Ras. Brajvasis who are the Ragatmik Jan, who are the eternal associate of the Krishna. Rag Atmika iti Ragatmika, who have the spontaneous rag attachment towards the Krishna. Don't ever see their external things, they have cleaned their hands or not. They don't think like that this is they don't consider anything like leftover, like you will give everything to Krishna which you eat first and after that you are giving to Krishna. Even they used to play with the Krishna. The Madhumangal was telling to the Krishna, I found this rasgulla. The Gopal was telling, give it to me. But the Madhumangal was telling to Krishna, just keep close your eyes. As the Krishna closed his eyes, and all the friends eat all the rasgullas, and the Krishna is like keep like as open mouth only. As the Krishna opened eyes, so the Madhumangal gave one flower to the Krishna, and the Krishna was saying, like, where is the rasgulla? Where is the sweets? So the Madhumangal said, one demon came and he ate. The demon, where is he? The Krishna was asking, like, where is that demon? Where he hide himself? The Krishna was telling, oh, Madhumangal was telling, oh, like he is abusing. You don't know the demon? Lobhasur. Lobhasur means the greed demon. Greed. Lob means greed. Greed demon. So where is that demon has hide? The demon is inside our stomach. Bolo Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki jai. This is known as an Brajvasi.
आप लोगों ने टीवी में देखा जी, ये सभी ने अपने पुत्र राम को खिलाया, ये सत्य नहीं।
Like, have you seen the everyone given their remnants to the Ram, but this is not a truth. The Shabri
अपने झुचन
never give her remnants to Ram,
राम मर्यादा पुरुषोत्तम
because the Ram is in a Maryada Purushottam. He don't eat the remnants of anyone. So this is the philosophy. Now come in the Harikatha. Only the Brajvasis jump. Brajvasis peoples like us, Sakhir, Madhure, and Vatsale now came in the Harikatha.
विचार करने लगे।
So the Krishna was thinking,
विराज गोवर्धन की प्रसाद चढ़े।
so we'll take the prasadam of Giraj Govardhan, and all are just eating the prasadam. So like all are dancing and singing, and they are eating and doing the parikrama also Giraj Govardhan.
आज भी ब्रज में स्थिति
So now also the same the principle is following now also.
विराज गोवर्धन में जाओ।
If you will go to the Giraj Govardhan, like dance, sing and eat and just perform the parikrama of the Giraj Govardhan.
रुके रुके नहीं।
Not just like in a dry parikrama you are doing, like you don't eat anything and you are just doing the parikrama. Like by eating anything, everything you can perform the parikrama. So Giraj parikrama is just like that only. So just sing some bhajan on the Giraj. Last katha will be of Ras Leela.
भोग धरो भैया भोगी के लड्डू के मैं सूर मगध और मला इसका रख दी और संग जाने रख दी मगध के लड्डू बादाम की बर्फी और पिस्ता की बर्फी काजू की बर्फी संग नारियल के लड्डू के कलाकंद पेड़ा और मेवा बाटी पेठा के कलाकंद पेड़ा और मेवा बाटी पेड़ा और संग जाके भोग दाए बेसन के लड्डू भैया पूरी कचौड़ी हलवा संग कढ़ी चावल सब्जी बना रही है बदवासी ने कद्दू के भैया रसगुल्ला गुलाब जामुन राज भोग भोग धरे के रसगुल्ला गुलाब जामुन और राज भोग भोग धरे और संग बैठे खाए रे मैया और कद्दू के संग बैठे खाए रे मैया और लड्डू बोल राजी महाराज की वो श्री गोवर्धन महाराज ओ महाराज तेरे माथे मुकुट विराज रयो श्री गोवर्धन महाराज महाराज तेरे माथे मुकुट विराज रयो तेरे माथे मुकुट विराज रयो तेरे माथे मुकुट विराज रयो श्री गोवर्धन महाराज महाराज माथे मुकुट विराज रयो श्री गोवर्धन महाराज महाराज तेरे माथे मुकुट विराज रयो तेरे माथे मुकुट विराज रयो तेरे माथे मुकुट विराज रयो श्री गोवर्धन महाराज महाराज माथे मुकुट विराज रयो श्री गोवर्धन महाराज महाराज तेरे माथे मुकुट मुरलिया सोहे रही मुरलिया सोहे रही मुरलिया सोहे रही मुरलिया सोहे रही
Krishna has performed the Ras Leela. Oh, so Giraj Parikrama. So all the Brajvasis went to their house. So the Indra came to the Braj and seen that the Brajvasis doesn't perform the Indra Puja, so they are performing any mountain rather to be the Indra Puja. So the one of the messenger of the Indra went to the Indra and said, these Brajvasis is not performing your worship and performing the one stone worship they are doing. So Indra said, no, this can't be happen. This can be happen. So there is a one ordinary child on the on the words of that child. They all are performing the mountain and they are worshipping the mountain, but they stopped to worship you. So the Indra became very much angry. So in the Bhagavatam, Jalshika Goswami Pad is telling. So Indra was abusing to the Krishna. The Krishna is the